Hey friends, this is Miss Wolfie from our half acre homestead, and I'm doing a series of video on making food stretch and re-examining our pantries to see if we can make things go farther and preserving things to save them. Well, I made a cottage roll on Friday and I actually saved the water. So I'm going to show you how it kind of went for more than one meal. Okay, so here's our cottage roll, the other 2/3 of the cabbage, and a bunch of potatoes and an onion. And we're just going to put this on low to medium to low and let that simmer all afternoon. Okay, so here is the cabbage, the potatoes, and that onion, and here is our boiled cottage roll. That's our supper. And trust me, it doesn't look like much, but it's a favorite. Here, I have strained broth from that. And in here, because one of these is going to make red beans and rice, and one of them is going to make split pea soup. I'll just keep them on low until I need them. Okay, so here is broth and bits of cabbage and stuff. My cottage roll, cabbage and potato. I might can this. In here, I have a cup of split yellow peas, some onions, some powdered onion, and some bits of our ham. So we're going to have split pea soup for supper. This I'll probably can and put in the fridge or in the pantry. Pretty dark soup, folks, because of the broth that I used.
Where's the peas?
I pureed them. And this is the leftover cabbage and meat. Bit of potato in there. And this is what my mother would, or my dad would call bubble and squeak, which is fried leftover veg. And we got some meat in here. And we're gonna serve that up to pepper. Have the pepper, dear. Bubble and squeak to go with your pea soup.
Pea soup is excellent, sorry.
I know, it's really dark, but then it's cooked a long time,
It
so.
tastes wonderful.
Awesome. Thank you. Bubble and squeak to go with your brown pea soup.
Very nice.
Thank you, dear.
Now, some nice, fresh, homemade bread would be perfect with this.
Hey, don't push your luck. We still have bread in the freezer. This is the Miss Wolfie from our half acre homestead saying, and that's how you make it stretch. Take care. God bless. And don't forget, I still have the brown crock pot full of that cottage roll, cabbage, and potato onion broth. And I can actually get 2 more meals out of that. Stay tuned.